Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Abhi and
And Sid. After having a delicious cake challenge,
today we are going to have biryani.
one of Hyderabadi's most favorite dish.
Yeah.
So before getting back to the challenge, we'll be measuring our dishes. So this is Abhinav's part of biryani. How much is it weighing?
It is 1.369.
1.369 kgs, Abhinav's part. And
So I think we'll be taking just 1 kg. Later we'll measure and
yeah. And this is my part.
you have so much in this?
1.9.
1.45.
Oh, 1.45.
1.45.
It's a matter of 100 grams.
Yeah.
So
And then 100 grams is more.
we'll be back after serving our dish.
So hey guys, we are back with the biryani in the plates. Each of the plate have half kg of biryani, and each of us will be
Yeah.
eating 2 plates.
Yes.
And we here also have Coke, and we
Uh,
also have the gravy as well as
Raita.
the raita.
Exactly. So this time we'll be having a serious punishment for whoever loses. And
Obviously,
I think
that will be
he'll- last time it was kind of I actually had my lunch last time, so I couldn't eat it. This time I'm ready for the race. So let's see. Keep watching for the punishment.
Let's see.
Yeah. Anyhow, he'll be having it. Yeah.
I will be having it.
Obviously.
Let's see,
bro.
let's see, let's see. So we'll start eating.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Obviously.
Okay. 3, 2,
1.
1. Yeah, started. This cold also.
Took time for setting this up. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఇవ్వడం తింటున్నాం సెకండ్ హాఫ్ వెయిట్ పెట్టాము
ఇది అవి వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి చూడు.
దట్స్ ఇట్ చీటింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఎఫ్ఐ అయిపోయింది అంతా
తింటున్నారా? అందుకే రాక ఉంటున్నా నీకంటే ఎక్కువనే ఓకే.
నా పని రయ్యా కంప్లీట్ అన్నా చేయి అయిపోతుంది రా పట్ట పట్ట తింటున్నాం I will not lose. I will fight. Win declare. Win declare, bro.
This time I need time out. Even you need time out?
No.
What?
That also we should eat. Then why did you put chilies, bro?
I couldn't see it. Chilies are not in count, okay?
Cheating. Even if I'll not it, I'll make it with full rate. I'll make it with 2 kgs. Sorry, 1 kg.
This is not included, okay? This is extra. There's an insect there. Right?
Insect there anta. Jaffa. I'm actually training for my further challenges.
So you accept the defeat for this challenge.
I'll make you eat the full thing, bro.
You want to take the punishment?
I will not leave now. You should complete that. Even if I'll not complete, you should at least complete. So, give up. I'll give up.
You'll give up?
I'm giving up.
Okay, let me complete this actually.
Oh,
Complete it.
what if I'll complete before you?
Right there.
Mine's done. I can't have. I'm not having. Over. Second defeat.
Yeah, though.
Just wait for one more challenge. Finally, he completed. He completed. He completed. You want to have mine also? He completed. Shit, man. This is also almost over, bro.
Almost.
Almost, bro.
Almost.
See, I'll show how it is almost.
Make it one spoon though. Almost.
It's just. See.
Then eat off.
Eat off. Eat off. I stopped my eating at 18th minute. I guess.
Whatever.
After successfully losing.
Successfully losing.
After successfully losing it.
Okay,
So-
are you ready for the punishment?
Actually, no. But
Actually, no. But
I have to take it now, bro. Chalo, take out.
what? Wait.
Show that punishment, man.
So the punishment is we have I think this is 1/4. Yeah, 1/4 glass of
Only lime.
only lime.
Only lime. And I think I don't like lime.
You have to drink it slowly, so that
Slowly.
you should feel it, to smell it. It's nice only actually.
It's not nice, man. It's
I like lemon.
okay. I'm taking.
Slowly, okay?
Chee.
It won't be that much also. Stop and drink. I want.
Bro, what did you mix, bro?
That shouldn't be told.
That shouldn't be told.
Shouldn't be told. Drink this also.
Over, bro. Done, bro.
Look at this. You have something here. How was the punishment? It was nice.
Pop up with you.
So did you enjoy the punishment? How was the punishment? Wow, what a dance! So however,
Oh my god.
I have to win
Shit, man.
and to lose.
See, bro. Losing is also not.
Oh, really?
I was not losing, bro. I was training.
Oh, for what?
Training to win my third challenge.
Practice
I
and
don't want to
practice,
tell
huh?
a quote right now, but yeah, I have one beautiful quote for this.
Tell
You know,
what is
once
that?
Abraham Lincoln, he told, if you want to chop a tree, sharp your axe for 45 minutes. So I'm sharpening my stomach for to win my third challenge.
Oh, really?
So just
Let's
a
see.
practice. It's okay.
All of you wait
All
for
the
the
best for
third
your third
challenge.
loss.
Third loss?
Third loss.
Third loss.
Third loss. All sorry, you're the first loss. Your first.
Remember this, everyone. We'll see.
Your first loss, bro. Sorry, my bad.
Okay. If
So-
you want to check out the next challenge, so please subscribe.
Please
and also
follow.
like this video.
Yeah, and share with your friends, whoever is interested. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.